Hey guys, this is Kim from This Darn Chicks Designs. I'm in Canva and I'm looking today for Christmas trees. Yes, I know it's like we're in July, that's okay, but I'm actually looking for some pine trees for a design that I saw that I kind of want to duplicate. So right now I'm working with Canva. Canva has a lot of different designs in it, so I'm kind of looking for like a Christmas tree that would, like, for wood, because I'm going to be using my Glowforge. So there's different areas over here in Canva that you can pick out for different types of pine trees. So I'm just kind of looking around here right now and to try to see what is actually going to fit for my design. So let's just take a look and see what happens. So for each pine tree, what I want to do is grab a little star from the side of my Canva, and I'm going to take these stars. They come in black, but I'm going to take them and turn them into white stars, clear stars, because the Glowforge has actually got to be able to cut through these. So I'm going to be placing each one of these stars in different areas of the pine tree. So what we're going to do here is kind of duplicate a couple of these stars, and then from there we'll kind of put some like down here at the edge. I kind of like to spread them out a little bit, kind of go from there with that. Let's put this one down here, and then right up through here, and then that basically that's what I'm doing right now, is I'm duplicating each one of these stars. You want to try to put your stars in a certain places, so when you're putting your candles or whatever behind it, it'll illuminate it. And then make sure that you go ahead and you group every one of these, so when you download it or upload it onto your computer, it can actually, you can take it over to your Glowforge, and Glowforge will be able to go ahead and cut it out. So here I'm actually taking a square piece, and I am going to make the bottom of this. So when the tree, when we go ahead and we put the tree in for the Glowforge will cut out these smaller pieces. So this is basically, it's the base of my tree. At this part, I'm actually finding a deer to put in my picture, and I'm actually adding the little stars in between the deer. So when the Glowforge goes ahead and cuts it out, then the light from behind will illuminate those stars out. So I'm just adding extra stars to the top and bottom of the deer. I love working with my Glowforge Aura. You can make so many things with it. I mean, just like your imagination just can go on and on with making things from this little machine. So I put my design into my Glowforge and using light basswood plywood to be able to go ahead and cut it out. And these are the pieces that I already have cut out. So I have my 3 little trees. This is the bottom piece of the wood. I had to go and kind of mark them to see exactly where I wanted to set each piece at. I'm now going back into my Glowforge to have the bottom piece cut out, and I put a thick basswood plywood in for the base. So once I was done, I took all my pieces outside and I spray painted every one of them white. So I sprayed the fronts and the backs of them to be able to assemble it all together. So I put all of my pieces together and assembled them with hot glue. Once they were together, you can actually see how beautiful they are. I put a candle to the back of it to illuminate the light. You can also use tea lights for this with the little batteries. You can get those at the dollar store. If you like this project, let me know, and like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.